Hello, welcome to How to Create an Ad using Facebook Business Manager. Facebook Business Manager is a one-stop shop to manage business tools, business assets, and employee access to these assets. It's a place where you can manage all your Facebook marketing and advertising activities. In this video, we'll show you how to use Facebook Business Manager to create an ad. If you don't have a Facebook Business Manager account, please go to business.facebook.com and click the Create Account button in the top right. You need to set up your account first. So enter your business name, your business email address, and then business details such as address, phone number, and website. You also need to specify whether you use this business manager account to promote your own business or to provide services to other businesses. You get a message from Facebook to confirm your business mail. Open your message and click in Confirm Now. Then you have to add your Facebook business page. So from the Business Manager dashboard, click Add Page and then Add Page again. Start by typing the name of your Facebook business page in the text box and then consider that you have the administrator access to the page you're trying to add, so your request will be approved automatically. After that, you have to add your Facebook ad account. If you're already using Facebook ads, you can link your existing ad account. Go to your dashboard, Add Ad Account, and then enter the ad account ID, which you can find in the Ads Manager. If you don't already have a Facebook Ads account, from the Facebook Manager dashboard, click Add Ad Account, and then Create Account, and then follow the steps. You can also add your Instagram account. It's nice because if you boost a post on Instagram, for example, you can manage it using Facebook Ads Manager. So from your Business Manager dashboard, click Business Settings, and in the left column, click in Instagram Accounts, and then put all your login information and click Login. Now you're ready to start creating your ad. Here is your dashboard. Take a closer look to all the information you get from your dashboard so you'll be familiar with the information, the data that Facebook will provide you. The Account Overview table will give you insights and information about all your ads. Campaigns table will show you the active ads, paused ads, and more. Ad sets and ads tables are all the detailed information regarding each campaign. So let's get started. Go to the campaign overview. Then click in the green button, Create Ad button. In the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see all the steps you need to go through to create your ad. Let's start by defining the objective. What's your marketing objective? Awareness, consideration, or conversion? Under awareness, we have two options. Brand awareness, which is good if you are trying to build your brand community. Reach, when you're looking for reaching more people, which means that the amount of impressions is more important than the clicks. Under the consideration, you have a lot of options. Traffic, when you want to bring more people to your website, for example, or more people to visit your property webpage. Engagement, if you want more people to share, like, and comment. App installs, if you want people to install an app. Video views, you want more people to watch a video. Lead generation, when you ask people to fill a form, so you want to collect information from your audience. And messages, when you want people to send you messages. Then you have conversion. Those options are great if you have an offline business. So you want to drive more traffic to your store or your restaurant, for example, or you want to sell your products online. There is no wrong decision over here. You have to analyze what is your marketing objective. I would say that a good option for real estate business would be traffic or engagement, because we want people to visit our website, the listing website. But of course, it depends on each case. Each ad is a different ad. So let's get started. Let's say that I'm a real estate agent and I want to bring more people to visit a property website. So it's a landing page regarding to a particular listing. Traffic could be a good option. And don't forget, if you were creating an ad related to credit, employment, or housing, you should tag as a special ad category. So if you are creating an ad to invite people to go to the property website, so you should choose housing as the ad category. Edit the campaign name and then define the budget. You can tell Facebook if it's a daily budget, so the amount that you're going to spend daily, or if it's a lifetime budget. Let's say you want to spend $100 for the entire campaign. Over here you have more options. You can define the bid strategy, you can define the ad scheduling, and for some of those options above, you can also define the delivery type. In this case, because our objective is traffic, we don't need to change it. About the bid strategy, the best option over here is the lowest cost, so Facebook will deliver your ad in the lowest cost possible. About the ad scheduling, you can decide if you want to run the ads all the time or if you will set the specific schedule within each ad set. Then click Continue. Enter your ad set name here. Let's say, for this example, that I'm gonna use Townhomes as my ad set name. Then you have to choose where you want to drive traffic. It can be website, an app, Messenger, or WhatsApp. I'm gonna say that I want to bring traffic to my website. In this example, we are not going to show a dynamic creative assets or to drive more conversions by creating an offer. Let's talk about audience. You can create a new audience or you can use a saved audience. To create a new audience, you should click in Create New. Then choose from Custom Audience or Special Ad Audience. It's about people who have already interacted with your business. And the second option is related to new people who have similar online behavior as your most valuable customers. You don't need necessarily to choose from those options. You can create your audience by selecting the location, the age, the gender, and including the detailed targeting. Let's say you want to target people in Vancouver. You can also define the cities within radius. You can zoom in or zoom out your map to see where is your ads gonna be displayed. Because it's a special ad category, you cannot change the age or the gender, but you can add demographics, interests, or behaviors to include people who match with your audience. So let's say you want people who have expressed an interest in or like pages related to real estate. Then you can narrow the audience. You can say that from the people above, you want people who have expressed an interest in or like pages related to first-time home buyers. You can also define the languages, and you can also add a connection type. You can tell Facebook that you want your ad to be displayed to people who like your page, friends of people who like your page. You can even tell Facebook to exclude people who like your page. Check out the other options over here and the advanced combinations. Placements. The automatic placements is recommended because Facebook uses automatic placements to maximize your budget and help show your ads to more people. You can also choose the manual placements. You can manually choose the places to show your ad. Now you have to define how much you'd like to spend and when would you like your ads to appear. The first thing that you have to decide is the optimization for ad delivery. You have to choose from the options over here. If you want to optimize the delivery to a landing page, link clicks, daily unique reach, or impressions. Over here we have the cost control. You already decided when you were creating the objective. Then decide your schedule. You can also set up a spend limits and finally decide when you get charged. impressions, or link clicks. Because you have chosen link clicks as the ad delivery format, you can choose link click as an option to get charged, which means that you only get charged if someone clicks in the ad. Clicking continue. Okay, finally we are in the creative part of the ad campaign. Here you have to come up with the ad name. It's a good way to organize your campaigns. And then you have to choose the Facebook page and the Instagram account. So select those. And after that, you have to choose the format. Choose how would you like to structure your ad. You can create a new one, you can use an existing post, or you can use a mockup. So let's create a new one. Here you have three different formats. The carousel, that it's 2 or more scrollable images or videos, a single image or video, or a collection. The collection option is only for mobile experience. The collection option is only for mobile experience and only Facebook experience, so it's not going to be displayed on Instagram. In terms of engagement, we would say that using 2 or more photos or a video is better. You can also add an instant experience. Again, this is only for mobile experience, and once someone clicks in your ad, it goes to a landing page that opens instantly when people interact with your ad. Then you have to choose an image or video or create a new video or slideshow using a template. So clicking the add image or add video, upload the image into your Facebook, and clicking continue. You can tag to automatically crop to a square when it's needed, and you can turn it into a video. To turn into a video, you can choose more photos and choose one of those templates. Check out the placements to customize it if you want, but Facebook will automatically crop your image to fit those placements. Now you have to set up the text and links for your ad. The primary text for your ad appears in most placements. You can use handles, you can tag pages, and try to avoid a long text because people like to read more short content, and the thing that you were writing over here is the one that is going to be displayed in your ad. You can add another option of primary text. Actually, you can add up to 5 options, so Facebook will show people the combination they are most likely to respond to. You can also add a headline. You can add up to 5 brief headlines to let people know what your ad is about. So try to highlight the most important features and amenities of your listing. The headline is the one that is highlighted in your ad. After that, you can add a short description. Again, you can add up to 5 link descriptions to emphasize why people should visit your website. Remember, this won't appear in all placements, but here's an example. Right after the headline, you have the description. Then choose the destination. In this case, I'm entering the URL for the web page I want people to visit. You can also change the display link. The display link is the one that it's showing over here before the headline that shows your website address. It's already a short version of your website because if you notice, the URL is much longer, but you have the option to change it. Then you have to add a call to action. This is the button that represents the action that you will want people to take. In this situation, I'm using Get Quote, but you have a lot of different options over here. You can navigate through all the placements to see how your ad's gonna look like. Mobile newsfeed, desktop newsfeed, Facebook stories. You can also see how your ad's gonna look like on Instagram. Instagram feed, Instagram stories. For stories, you can edit the story's background color. Once you choose the new color, you can click confirm, and Facebook will show you the stories with the new color. You can also send your ad for a preview into your cell phone. Clicking this little arrow over here and send a notification to Facebook. Facebook will send you a notification to your cell phone so you can see how your ad's gonna look like in real life. If you have a webmaster or if you are familiar with the backend of your website, you can copy and paste the Facebook's pixel and then you can track the amount of visitors that you get from your ad. Since you've finished, you can click on the confirm button or you can review your ad. It's always a chance to review everything from your campaign. Then you can click on the confirm button and your ad's live. This is the status of your campaign that's going to be in review for a while because you don't have yet enough data. So here you can also always double check the bid strategy, the daily budget, the results in terms of link clicks, reach, impressions, cost per result, amount spent, and you have a lot of information to find out if your ad is performing well. You can view the charts, you can edit, and you can also duplicate it. And here is the ad set. You can add as much as ad sets you want inside your campaign, so you can keep it organized by topics. And here is the ad itself. You can find out the creative with this little image over here. In this blue button over here, you can pause your campaign. Or if you want, you can delete it. You can always export the table data into a spreadsheet so you can analyze better your data. And don't forget that you can find out more information and graphics under Account Overview. This is the end of this video. We've learned together how to create an ad using Facebook Business Manager. If you have any questions, please send your email to digital@macrealty.com. Thank you.